Okay, well, hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. This is going to be the second section of my Essence of Programming course. And today, in this section, my idea is that so far we've seen basic operations and variables, and we've written basic code so far. And in this part, we're going to look at if statements, if else, and for loops and while loops, right? Like the main blocks that we can use to create code and write algorithms with. But before we start this, what we have to do is we have to look at Boolean operations. And so by Boolean operations, I mean when we have two values, I'm going to compare them and see what is the result of a comparison, right? And usually it's a true or false. I'll show you in detail in the video. Let me just open my terminal. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a bit. And let's open Python. Let's do Python. Let me put it here so my picture doesn't interfere. Get a bit bigger. So sometimes what I can do, as you saw, is we can compare values. For example, I can say, is 3 bigger than 2? It is, so it has to return me true. Yes. Or is 3 bigger than 4? Because 3 is smaller, it's going to be false. Right? If I press enter, false. I get false. Is 3 equals to 2, right? We said that if you put 1 equal sign, you're assigning a value to the variable 3. But if you have 2 equal signs, you're comparing them. We're like, is 3 equal to 2? And because it's not, it's false. But 3 is equal to 3, right? And then what else that I can also do is I can look at greater than equal to or smaller than equal to signs, right? I can be like, is 5 smaller than equal to 2? Right? And it's false, right? Because 5 is bigger. But is 5 smaller than equal to 5? The answer is true because they're also equal, right? Okay. This is the basics. What we can also do is we can also do this evaluation with strings, right? Is like Ali, which is my name, equals to Ali. The answer is true, right? But is Ali equals to Ali with a capital letter? No, it's not, because they're not the same, right? And so this is the basics of it. And we're going to use these in the next video to write if statements and if else statements, if that makes sense. And the idea here is that we're going to use these conditions to do different operations in the software. I'll get more deep into it in the next video.